Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into something that has completely changed the way I approach email marketing. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm all about tools that actually make a difference in growing your business and boosting your marketing efforts. And trust me, this one's a game changer. I know the struggles of email marketing all too well, spending hours writing the perfect email, battling writer's block and hoping it actually converts. Let's be honest, it can feel like a bit of a guessing game, right? You try different strategies, but you're not seeing the results you were hoping for. I've been there, and that's exactly why I wanted to review Niche Email Pro GPT today, because it's a tool that promises to take a lot of that stress off your plate. And let me tell you, it delivers. Niche Email Pro GPT is an AI-powered email marketing solution that has really impressed me, and I'm excited to break down why I think it's one of the best tools I've come across. What really sets it apart is how it's tailored to specific niches, something a lot of other email marketing tools just don't get right. Instead of giving you a generic tool that churns out the same emails for everyone, Niche Email Pro GPT actually offers 12 custom-trained GPTs for some of the most lucrative and high-demand niches out there. Think about it. Whether you're into affiliate marketing, e-commerce, health and fitness, or even dog training, this tool has you covered. I'm talking about niche-specific email generators that understand the nuances of each market. If you're in affiliate marketing, for example, the GPT will help you craft persuasive newsletters that build trust with your audience and actually convert them into customers. And if you're into e-commerce or dropshipping, the tool helps you generate high-converting email sequences to boost those sales. What's even better is that Niche Email Pro GPT isn't just about writing emails. It comes with a full toolkit that includes AI-generated image prompts and done-for-you PLR private label rights products. Now, if you've ever spent hours trying to design the perfect visuals for your emails or social media, you know that can take up a lot of your time. With this package, you get over 1,200 AI-generated image prompts. Yes, you heard that right. These prompts are designed specifically for each niche, so you can easily create eye-catching visuals to complement your email campaigns. But that's not all. Niche Email Pro GPT also includes 70 done-for-you PLR products, which is a huge bonus for anyone looking to create lead magnets, build authority, or even sell products. These are high-quality, ready-to-sell products that you can rebrand and keep 100% of the profits. Whether you're building your email list or offering these as bonuses, having these PLR products can really take your marketing game to the next level. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. I know the idea of adding another tool to your workflow can seem overwhelming, but trust me when I say that Niche Email Pro GPT is super user-friendly. You can get set up in just a few clicks. No complicated installation process, no learning curve. Once you're in, you'll have access to the full suite of AI-powered tools and over 100 image prompts. From there, you just pick your niche and your offer, and let the GPT do the hard work. It generates personalized, high-converting emails within seconds, saving you tons of time and effort. If you're anything like me, you've probably spent way too much time writing emails and stressing over whether they'll perform. With Niche Email Pro GPT, I was able to generate perfectly tailored email campaigns in a fraction of the time. What's even better is that the AI understands what works for each niche, so you don't have to waste time second-guessing your content. And I'm not going to lie, one of the best things about this tool is the pricing. Niche Email Pro GPT is available for a one-time payment of just $17. Yep, you heard me right. No monthly fees, no hidden costs. For the price of a typical marketing software subscription, you get full access to this incredible toolkit. That's 12 custom-trained GPTs, 1,400 image prompts, 70% done-for-you PLR products, and so much more, all for a single payment. But here's the catch. This launch price won't last forever. If you're thinking about grabbing it, now is the time before the price goes up. And to make this even more of a no-brainer, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't find it as useful as I've described, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. So there's really no risk involved in trying it out. If you're looking for a way to level up your email marketing game, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Niche Email Pro GPT is definitely worth checking out. It's a powerful tool that takes the guesswork out of writing high-converting emails, and with all the added bonuses like the image prompts and PLR products, you really get a lot of bang for your buck. I've been using it for a while now, and it's saved me so much time while improving my email results. So, if you want to streamline your email marketing and start seeing better conversions, I highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions about the tool. I'd love to hear about your experiences or any other tools you'd like me to review. Until next time, take care and happy marketing.